Lloyd's Pharmacy Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to products are in the description. Lloyds Pharmacy is one of the UK's most well-known pharmacy chains, offering both in-store and online services. It provides prescription medications, over-the-counter drugs, health and wellness products, and even online doctor consultations. Their online platform makes it easy to order prescriptions, book health tests, and access virtual GP services. The service is designed for anyone who needs convenient access to medications, whether through NHS or private prescriptions. The website is user-friendly with clear categories and a seamless checkout process. Delivery options vary, including standard, next-day, and click-and-collect services, making it flexible for different needs. One standout feature is their online doctor service, which allows users to get prescriptions for common conditions without visiting a GP. They also provide specialized services like flu vaccinations, blood pressure checks, and diabetes screenings. However, while their services are convenient, pricing can sometimes be higher than competitors, and delivery delays have been reported occasionally. Customer support is available, but response times may vary. Overall, Lloyds Pharmacy is a solid choice if you want a reputable and easy-to-use pharmacy service, but comparing prices with other providers is recommended. If you need quick, professional healthcare solutions with a trusted name, Lloyds Pharmacy is worth considering.